So first of all, we'll be talking about the chart. Chart doesn't mean we'll be talking about the candles. Okay, so most of you, means all of you, know about the candlesticks. So chart means we shall be discussing what type of moving average, why. Okay, and we will start from the investing part. Investing part. In this investing, I will divide it into three parts. First, first is swing investing, investment. Second, positional plans. Third, wave investments. थर्ड पॉइंट इज, जो तीसरा हम कवर करेंगे, वो हम कवर करेंगे इसके बाद ऑर्डर फ्लो. आप सभी लोग इसको नोट करें. एवरीवन प्लीज नोट इट. ऑर्डर फ्लो, सॉरी, वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल. Volume profile. Fourth is relation in volume plus price. Okay. In this volume, I shall be including horizontal volume and vertical volume. जिनको नहीं पता, I will be telling those after volume profile. I will, after teaching a volume profile, what is horizontal volume and what is vertical volume. So, okay, so in this volume part, I will be including these two types of volumes. Fifth will be price action, means few patterns. Okay. Few patterns.
Okay.
Sixth is market profile. And then order flow. The bigger part of our these classes will go to order flow. Not biggest, actually, bigger part. Means maybe 4 to 5 or 6 days. Because होता क्या है कि जब हम ऑर्डर फ्लो को डिस्कस करते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने पहले टीच भी किया है, तो एक सिचुएशन मान लिया आज मैंने ऑर्डर फ्लो पढ़ाया और उसके अगले दिन मार्केट साइडवेज हो गई, तो वहां पर और क्या डेटा डेवलप हुआ, एंड देन आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट, राइट. एंड आफ्टर दैट हमने कोई और टॉपिक उठा लिया, फिर ऑर्डर फ्लो दब गया, फिर उसमें सारी चीजें हम डिस्कस नहीं कर पाते. तो आई होप 5 से 6 दिन के अंदर हम ऑर्डर फ्लो के सारे केसेस को डिस्कस कर लेंगे लाइव मार्केट में. इसके बाद में 8वां जो पॉइंट हमारा चलेगा, वो चलेगा हाउ टू फाइंड. नोट माय पॉइंट. After reading this point, 8th point, you will say that this day our face is realized. Okay. So this is my most favorite part, जो कि जिससे कि I have found so many tops and bottoms in market. And हालांकि एक मिनट, someone is joining. जो 15,400 पर पिछली बार I had told each and every person that go short from here, and at the bottom, right at the bottom, I had told everyone that the market will go from here upside. हालांकि उस टाइम में ज्यादा क्लासेस नहीं ले पाया था, but I will be telling the reason of those predictions in this class. Everything has a reason. So data हर चीज का रीजन होता है, एंड आई विल बी टेलिंग यू। कुछ चीजें टेक्निकली भी निकल कर आती हैं। सो हाउ टू फाइंड short term trend using IndiaVix। IndiaVix का यूज करके हम छोटे छोटे ट्रेंड्स मतलब 15 दिन का निफ्टी का ट्रेंड, 20 दिन का ट्रेंड निकाल लिया। एक बार अगर मार्केट ऊपर जा रही तो यहाँ से कहाँ तक अभी जाएगी, ठीक है। एंड दिस IndiaVix, ये जो IndiaVix वाली क्लास होगी, इसके अंदर हम फिबोनाची भी यूज करेंगे, फिबोनाची। ओके, सो IndiaVix और फिबोनाची का यूज करके हम छोटे छोटे ट्रेंड्स का कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं, इसके अंदर हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे। नवा पॉइंट जो रहेगा हमारे पास में, इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि जो ये फिबोनाची है, इसको आप स्विंग ट्रेडिंग के लिए कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं। 10वां पॉइंट, यूज ऑफ ATR, और ये ATR बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है मार्केट के लिए। मार्केट के अंदर इस ATR से हमारे पास, इस ATR को पढ़ने के बाद में हमारे पास ऑप्शंस की स्टडी शुरू होगी। सो इन ऑप्शंस 11 पार्ट जो होगा वो ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में मैं मान के चलूंगा सभी लोगों को बेसिक ऑफ ऑप्शन आता है। I will assume that all the people know the basics of option. What is the basic of option means what is call and put, okay? What is buying a call and shorting a call and buying a put or shorting a put. This is just a basic of options, okay? Except this, everything is advanced in option trading, okay? Except knowing what is call, put, and buying and shorting the call, selling, buying and shorting the put option. Everything is advanced in options. So in options, we will start from Greeks of options. Greeks, okay? Greeks के बाद हम डिस्कस करेंगे few strategies. जो हम यूज करेंगे लाइव मार्केट में भी, ट्रेड लगाएंगे इस पर। एंड my trading strategy which I use every week to eat premium. These are high leveraged strategies. So those who can use a big capital, they may use this strategy. Otherwise, I will be telling those strategies which requires less capital. So why option buying, how to buy option, and when to buy option, okay? कि option buying का क्या logic है, क्यों, when should we buy options, okay? So option buying we shall be discussing in this. Everything about option buying. And then after that, full intraday trading, including cash, derivative means of future, and options. इसके बाद कुछ दिन हम एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे, मतलब कुछ दिन में बताऊंगा आपको कि कैसे आपको 9:15 से बैठकर 3:30 तक काम करना है, okay? Means full day. Those who want to become full-time trader, how they should think, how they should act, when they should book the loss or profit, when they should take decisions or to take the trade during the day. 9:15 पे क्या करना है, 9:30 पर क्या करना है, 11 बजे के बाद क्या करना है, because in this market every hour has the different pulse in the market. Market has different pulse in every hour of the market. कि 11 बजे के बाद मार्केट के अंदर क्या सिचुएशन हो जाती है, यूरोपियन मार्केट खुलने के बाद क्या सिचुएशन हो जाती है. So this way I will be telling you all the things. So this format is going to be in the raw format. I'm telling you again. Raw means I will be telling you how this is working in live market, what I told you yesterday, how it worked today. Okay. So everyone is ready. नोट करना है किसी को?
आ रही आवाज नवीन जी?
जी चलिए शुरू करते हैं. मैं इसको सेंड कर दूंगा, ग्रुप पर सेंड कर दूंगा मैं इस लिस्ट को. चलिए तो अब हम चार्ट देखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इन्वेस्टमेंट पार्ट से. ठीक है, मतलब चार्ट को समझेंगे, चार्ट है क्या. दूसरा फिर इसके बाद में कि इन्वेस्टमेंट हमें टेक्निकली किस तरीके, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस पर कैसे करनी चाहिए. सभी को पता है, एवरीवन नोज दैट if we buy at a particular price, if price goes upside, we shall be receiving the profit. If falls, we shall be receiving the loss. This will be showing us the loss. But we should also consider this point that whatever loss or profit a stock is showing you in your demat or trading account, that is the notional loss or profit. The actual profit is the profit which you book. Means if you have bought any stock, if it goes upside and is showing you the profit, this is the profit only when you book it. Means if when you sell it. Okay. Or I had made a few portfolio around 2 weeks ago, and it is showing now 90,000 rupees profit, which was around which is around 12% gain. But that profit is just a notional profit, because few days before, what happened actually, when price was going upside, there was 60,000 profit. When price fell down by 1%, every stock fell down, and what happened actually, the 60,000 became 40,000. So means let me tell you, before 1 hour I was telling everyone, means I'm taking an example. I was telling everyone that I am gaining 60,000 on my capital and this and that. And what happened actually, that everyone was praising me. Okay, means I'm taking an example. Okay, so everyone praising, oh, you made 60,000 in 7 days or 8 days. What happened after 1 hour? It was showing me only 40,000. So 20,000 gone in 1 hour. 60,000 came in 2 weeks. Okay, but after 3 days, market again went upside, and that 60,000 reached to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so now I should be very happy, or then when I was gaining 40,000, then I should be very happy. In both the situation, I should be happy. In all three situations, I should be happy. If I am booking 60,000 before few days, that is also a profit. If I book 40,000 just by getting some fear in my mind that, oh my God, my portfolio is falling, I should book it. If I book it, that is also good. Okay, that 40,000 is also nice money, and that 1 lakh rupees which I'm gaining just holding for few days more, I'm gaining another 40,000 rupees on 60,000. That is also good. Why all three things are good? Because whenever you are booking profit or loss. You never know what is future. Okay, nobody knows about future. So whenever you are taking the decision to book your profits, whenever you are taking the decision to book your profits, that is good. But whenever you are taking the decision to buy a stock on investment basis, that decision should be accurate. Means I will not be saying that if you buy State Bank of India at 280, that is good. If you're buying at 400, that is also good. If you got it at 180, that is also good. No. This doesn't, it doesn't mean that. Buying a stock, buying a good stock is another thing. Buying it at good price is also important. Okay. If you buy a good stock at a bad price, that will give you pain. If you buy a good price, but that stock is bad, that will also give you pain. Okay. So before starting the investment part, I will be telling you my thought process, how I think about investments. I think that whenever you are trading of investments, what is this? Well, I'm just mixing two words. Trading of investment means you are trading in cash, means swing trading in cash, not in derivative. It doesn't mean that trading is not always in derivative. So many people says that trading is always in derivative. If we are buying any stock in cash, it means that we are investing only. No, it also means trading. Trading means buying a stock or selling a stock for few days, few months, few weeks. Okay, means what is trading? Whenever you are getting profit, just book it. Wait for the another opportunity. If the opportunity comes, again you buy it or sell it. Again means see, whenever you see any profit, then book it and repeat it again and again, back to back. Okay, not always you will be right. Sometimes you will be wrong. But if you follow the risk to reward ratio and risk management, you will be gaining a nice profit overall. Okay, so in cash, so many people have 10,000, 12,000, 1 lakh rupees, and they say that I want to trade in market. So if you want to trade in market and you want to make money, so never go for that I will be doubling this amount in a week. Yes, you can double it. You can double it, but you can vanish it also within a week. Okay, if you want to make money on the whatever amount you have in your pocket, and you want to trade in market, you should trade it in cash. Okay, no margin, nothing. 1%, if 1% is coming for, if there is 1% return on 1 lakh rupees, that will be 1,000. That is a big amount. Okay, on 1 lakh rupees. If you make 10% every month, that is also good amount. But if you are saying that, oh my God, I made only 10,000 rupees, you had invested only 1 lakh rupees, you see, na? So 10% return making in a single month, that is good also. Okay. So on the chart, I'm taking Bajaj Finance. This is my second favorite stock. First is Reliance. I was thinking about you right now. So we have Praveen Kumar Patel in our group. He had made a nice amount on Bajaj Finance with Kripa of Ma Saraswati.
Almost 550.
Yes,
5.5 lakh.
Very nice.
Yes.
And that is a nice amount. You should have paid some percentage to me of that, but you cheated me.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Don't take it seriously. Okay. So Praveen sir and I found few nice entries in Bajaj Finance. I'm removing all these indicators and drawings. We need a naked chart here. Okay, so this is Bajaj Finance. I will be using a little bit Hindi in this. अगर प्रवीण सर ने बजाज फाइनेंस को कुछ दिन पहले यहां पर खरीदा होता या फिर यहां पर खरीदा होता, तो कहीं ना कहीं he would be saying that, oh my god, I bought it on the wrong price, but this stock is very right? This stock is very nice, but we bought it at wrong price. Bajaj Finance, we have always been keen to buy. Okay, we have always been very in wait. Okay, we would be in the queue to buy it. We would be waiting. You are waiting for the price to come. What was the price? What was the price, Praveen sir? That time 4,700.
No, that time
Okay.
46,
4,700. So I had told Praveen sir that this should come to 4,700. We shall be buying it at 47. So it came to 48,
47.
Yes. So it came to at our price. We bought it when everyone was selling it. We bought it, and in a few days, it started going upside, and we made a nice move. Also, I had recommended the price to buy here, and this rally we also ate, and then again this rally, and then again this rally. So, Praveen sir?
Yes, okay. Yes, बिल्कुल. 3300 वाली भी और ये 40.
Yes. And few people would be thinking that this is going to be 1-to-1. No, this is not going to be 1-to-1. But yes, I'm giving you the, as I told you, this is going to be the raw class, okay, raw format. I will be telling you practical things only, how these things practically works, okay. We would not be talking about John Kepler, what John Kepler does, what those traders work, what C.A. Rudramurthy sir works, okay, what P.R. Sundar sir works, okay. But we would be talking the actual strategies, what works in market, okay. What people do doesn't matter, what market do, that matters. So in Bajaj Finance, we bought it here, booked 30% here, bought it here, booked few part here, and actually here I didn't book, I added here, and then now it is at again all-time high. I'm telling you, teaching you here investment part. So I will be telling you about few companies also. Make note of those companies. It is your wish if you trade or invest in those companies or not. But these companies are my favorite companies, okay, for the long-term purpose. So please, all the people note it, and we shall be discussing these companies in next 2 months, okay, and we shall be seeing on the chart that how it is working, how it is giving us money on our strategies. The first share is the Reliance. Write it down: Reliance, Bajaj Finance, Titan, Nestle, State Bank of India, HDFC Bank. Clear? And last but not the least, Motherson Sumi. Okay. So these are the stocks जिनके बारे में हम डिस्कस करते रहेंगे बार बार, और these are the stocks which you can work for next 10 years. अगले 10 साल या 15 साल अगर आप सिर्फ इन स्टॉक्स पर ट्रेड करें या इन्वेस्ट करें, इन्वेस्टमेंट का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप इन्वेस्ट करें और भूल जाएं, ठीक है, इन्वेस्टमेंट का मतलब है राइट टाइम पर एंट्री और राइट टाइम पर एग्जिट, जैसे कि हमने बजाज फाइनेंस में किया। ओके, सो दिस इज द चार्ट ऑफ बजाज फाइनेंस। लेट मी शो यू। आप इन सभी के ऑल दिस कंपनी which I told you, after this class you will see, you will promise me and you will see, you will have a look on the weekly chart of these shares. Okay, weekly chart of these shares. Okay, here we have weekly chart. So I'm showing you the weekly chart of Bajaj Finance. What is the problem actually? What is the problem actually? Mr. Ram has a kid. Okay, Mr. Ram has a kid, has a son whose name is A. Okay, so A is growing up, started going to school, and every school is nice, so I will not be saying that school is bad. The school in which he used to go, the environment, the kids, the students which used to study in that school was bad. Okay, but from some other category of people, means just they are abusing, they are doing a different kind of activity. And Mr. Ram is a nice person. He is well educated, and he wants A to be well educated in his life. Okay, but what happened actually? He took the admission, okay, to in let's say B public school. Okay, he started going in school. He started studying in that school. When he used to come to the home, he started abusing. Why? Just because in which environment he's studying in 4 hours a day or 5 hours a day, that will reflect in his behavior. Okay, but when he was kid, Mr. Ram started ignoring. Why? Because he said, I am well educated person, he has my genes or whatever, and he will be an educated person after 20 years. Why? Because he is my son. But what happened actually? He became a snatcher. Why? Just because of the environment he was studying in. Okay, so in childhood he ignored his activity, but when 20 years were gone, then he realized he did a mistake. It was not the mistake of ignoring the activity of his son. It was the mistake of choosing the school. Okay, so what he would have done, he would have changed the school when these type of activities started reflecting in his son's behavior. Okay, in 2 minutes this webinar will stop. I will have to take the pro version of Zoom. So whenever it stops, in 1 minute I will start it again, and you all will be joining this. Okay, so he should have changed what? School. Companies are also like this. When you see right now its business is very well, very nice, very nice, then you should choose that stock. You should not choose the stock which is in the lower category, that is in the buri sangat, we can say, in a bad environment of the business category. His business is not good. Okay, his consumer base is not good, his customer base is not good, his service is not good, its service is not good. but still we are choosing it. Why? Because it is cheap. It is selling for only 10 rupees. You buy it for 1 lakh rupees. Why? Just because you say that right now its business is not good, but in future its business will be good. Yes, you can say, but you will have to see the background, of the company, and see the growth in the future. Means, can this happen that its customer base will increase like a miracle? Means when there was a time when we used to use a button wala phone hota tha na ek. Nokia, we used to use Nokia 3610 and these type of phones. Then everything changed. Actually, everybody started maintaining a phone in his hand, but those were, that उस टाइम का एक पर्टिकुलर एक रेंज निकली थी सबके पास, क्वार्टी कीपैड, these type of phones. But after some time everything changed and everything started buying Android phones. And what happened? The demand for Android phones increased. The demand for those